driving a 2015 Ford Fiesta, and today I'm going to show you how to refill your gas. So you'll find your cover here on the driver's side. It should just pull open. If it's sticking, you're going to want to make sure there's no debris stuck in here, anything broken. But here we go. We'll just fill into this from the gas station. I use like 87 or so in this, just a regular unleaded. And then when you're done, close it. Let's say you're stuck on the side of the road. A regular gas can typically won't work with these no caps. So usually in the trunk, this is locked, but typically these Fords, there'll be a little white funnel that's probably like maybe this long that you'll stick in here, and then you'll fill directly into that white funnel, because those funnels are made for these no caps, the easy fills, the no cap kind of things. But that's it. Hope that's helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.